Hi guys, this is Tarun Gautam Gangarapu. Yeah, let's now understand how we can give input to awk. Basically, we can give input to awk in two ways. One is with respect to stream input and one is with respect to file input. Let's see what stream input is. Let's again take the fundamental example of ls-lrt. If I do ls-lrt, I will get this output. Okay, and if I want to give this output as input to the awk, then it is called stream input ls-lrt. For the stream input, we can use pipe, and the stream input, whatever the data that we are inputting, should start just before the awk command. Let's see. Awk, I want to just print $4. Yeah, if you observe, whatever the output this command is printing, this command output is input to this awk command. This is called stream input. Stream input cannot start at the end. We will look into that example as well. If you run this, you will get it. But say suppose if you want to give this as an if you want to give it at the end of the awk command, it won't work. We will show you that in a bit little later. Whereas for file input, you need to give your input file name at the end of the awk command. You cannot give it as in front. So suppose awk print $2. Let's take sample.txt. Yeah, see the command is now working. Let's try with the reverse way. Say suppose let me check what the contents are there in sample.txt. Yeah, I have 2, 3, I have 4, 5, 6, 7. These are my sample.txt contents. Let me try with try stream input at the end of command. Sample.txt. You might have heard of exarchs because most of the commands in Unix, their parameters are positional sometimes. Say suppose echo is one such beautiful example. Whatever the parameters you want to pass to echo command, they should come after echo only. They cannot come just before echo. Let me show you that first. You cannot say hi Tarun echo. It won't work. Instead, this will work like this. Yeah, this the position of parameters is very important for some of the commands in Unix. For such those commands, if you want to change the position, we will be using exarchs. Cat sample.txt. I'm using exarchs -n1. What this will do is whatever the output cat sample.txt provides, it will the output will be provided as parameter to the next command at the end of the command. Say suppose this n1 refers to for how many lines it should provide. Say suppose if you let me show you echo, this will do like this. Say suppose exarchs -n1 uh, sorry cat sample.txt exarchs -n2 echo. Yeah, this will print like this. So what we are trying to do is we are taking this input, whatever the output that cat sample.txt has given to us, and we will be parsing each parameter to the next command. So yep, Let's try with awk. Just I want to print. I'm just trying to print $2, which in my this case my expected output is 357. But this won't run. You see, this is not running. Let's give file name just before the awk command. See, even if you put your file name just before the awk command, it won't work. So we need to be very clear on the position of the input. If it is a stream input, it should be just before the awk command. If it's file input, it should be just after the awk command. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.